In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Now you can either take a pic and send it right away by clicking on this button, or click on the same icon and select all of your photos to add. If you can't find any over here, hit Folders at the bottom left corner. Tap on your photos here and select Add at the bottom right corner. To then hit Done, also at the bottom right corner. Finally, hit Send button and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!